Hi everyone, I hope you guys are having a beautiful day, week, or weekend. And if you're not, I'm so sorry. Have faith. Well, I almost fell. Have faith, things will get better. But today we're going to be doing a calendar spread idea. There are 10 different calendars that I either saw and found inspiration from Pinterest, or ones I have done I do now and I have done in the past, and they are very versatile. There are some that are full pages, some are very minimal, some take a little bit more work, and some that are only half a page. So it's very, I already said versatile, but it's very versatile for how busy your month is for that month. I hope you guys enjoy and I hope you find this helpful. So here is the first one. You can use a spread when you have a lot of things you need to do in the month so you have more room to write, but this one does take the longest to do because you want to make sure your lines are nice and straight. So it does take the longest, but it is very cute. I've done this calendar spread so many times and I love it, but sometimes it just takes too much work, so I don't do it. But if you want to, here is the first spread, and then add more colors, outline, and this is what you get. The second one is very similar, but instead you want to leave some of the boxes blank, and you're going to take a marker and color it in instead. You can do this for the entire spread. You don't have to make any outlines. You can just color in a bunch of the boxes, not a bunch, all of the boxes instead of outlining, and you can do a cute little color scheme. But this one I just showed you, you can do some of the boxes and it'll still turn out very cute and nice. So yes, here is the second one, faster and more simpler than the first one, but the same idea. The third one is the one that I usually do every month because it's easy, but it gives a lot of room. I usually round out the corners, but these ones I made the corners very sharp. I think all the ones I've shown so far are 5x5 boxes, and this one's a little bit different. Instead of adding the circles like I usually do for the dates, I'm adding a highlighted bar on the top, so that makes it even faster. So here is the third one. For this fourth one, you just want to take one color or any color scheme you want to do and just draw the bars to write the days in for every single day. And at the top, you can add a little bar to write in the days of the week. I don't really like how it turned out. I wish I would have done something different, but it still turned out pretty good now looking back at it. But yeah, here is the fourth one. Here is a very minimalistic calendar spread when you are super busy for this month, but you want a lot of room, but you don't want to waste time or effort into making a calendar and straightening your lines and making the boxes all look the same. So this is a very simple one. You can just add the line at the top and write the numbers, and this is what you'll get. Another minimalistic spread. Instead of just writing the numbers and then the lines at the top like the last calendar, you want to do the lines throughout the entire calendar. And I've never tried this one, but I have it on my list of calendars to try when I'm having a very busy month, I want space, and I want to do a quick calendar. But yeah, I love how this one turned out. You can play with the colors and it's super fast and I love it. So here is the first half-page calendar. I usually do this one a lot in the summer because I don't need a lot of room to write. I don't want to waste paper. I don't have a lot of events to write in the little boxes. And I believe this calendar is like a 3.5 by 4, but just eyeball it and doesn't have to be perfect. But this one's super cute, super fast, and I love this one as well. And I will definitely be doing this calendar a lot in the summer. Number 8 is just drawing out these squares using a color scheme. I love this spread. I've never done it before, but I will definitely be doing it soon. It's very cute and it's very simple, and I love how it turned out. Just gives a lot of color and vibrance to the page. So yes, this is another cute half spread idea. This half calendar page spread is a little bit different from the last two because it takes up the entire page, and your calendar is going to be horizontal, but I love how this one looks because of how compact it is, but how much room it gives as well. And I also used to do this one a lot, and I will be doing it more in the summer, and I keep saying that, and I keep saying how much I love all these spreads and how they're my favorite, but they really are. They're so useful, and I wouldn't be showing you guys things I did not love and I did not find useful. So yes, this is another one of my favorites. So this calendar is a little bit more different than the previous two because these boxes are more rectangular and elongated, and it gives it a more like less doodly look and a more chic and neat look. And if you make the boxes even longer, I feel like it'll add so much more, and it's all about the details. If you do little things, it'll change the look of the calendars more than you'll ever know. So yeah, that's like the little minimal differences between all these calendars. Just little tiny things make a huge transformation in every single calendar, and you guys could obviously see that. It'll change your whole entire spread completely. But yes, here is the flip through of all the calendars that I did. I hope you guys find this helpful. Hope you guys try it out, and I hope it gives you inspiration to change up your calendar that maybe you do every single month and you want to try something new but you don't have ideas. Here are some for you. And yeah, bye. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys liked the video, please like it, subscribe it, comment down below and share it, and tag me on Instagram or TikTok, or comment down below if you guys tried any of these calendar spreads. And I hope you guys found it helpful, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.